Hi there, this is Randy with Bajamate. Today we're in beautiful Gilbert, Arizona at one of our customers' homes. As you can see, they've already got the Bajamate full kit in their pool, but they've also done one in their deck. Interestingly, the landscaper put in a plastic sleeve, and today we're going to show you why these are really not good in comparison to our stainless steel sleeves. So as you can see, this customer had his table and his umbrella in this plastic sleeve, and it actually broke and pulled the concrete out of the patio. Now, this was installed incorrectly to begin with, but this wouldn't have happened had it been installed with our stainless steel sleeve. They're much heavier and they're designed to be built into the concrete, a much larger base of concrete. So they don't move, they don't there's no wiggle, there's no nothing. It's very secure. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take this piece out, we're going to throw away the plastic, and we're going to stick this into our concrete. We're going to make a larger hole. We're going to add more concrete. We're going to float this right even with the tiles. And then this is going to be perfectly secure, won't move, and the customer will be able to take their table and their umbrella and put it in here without having to worry about wind or damage of any kind, from forces, Mother Nature, things like that. It will be secure, much better than the plastic sleeve. So let's get to that right away. We're going to dig out this hole and we're going to start putting these together for them.